Morning guys, how's it going? So we are up bright and early so that we can go for a run and do some exercise and whatnot. It's still absolutely beautiful here. It's a little bit chilly this morning because the sun's not really up yet, but it's still really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna get our exercise on. Cue some of the most seasick footage you'll ever see. How's it going, Kay?
So we're just heading back now, gonna have a quick shower and then we'll see you again when we're doing something exciting. It's a beautiful day, so we're really happy. So we've just come to the beach, we've arrived and it's absolutely heaving. There is no spaces, like this is the second car park we've been to and it's just cars parked down each side. So hopefully we'll find a space soon, otherwise we'll end up parking back at the campsite and walking.
So we made it down to the beach and we've just been for a swim now. It was really nice and refreshing, even if the water was a little bit cold. And yeah, we're just gonna do some sunbathing now. Kay's already doing a phenomenal job. There she is. So yeah, we'll catch you after I have probably had a beach nap. See you soon.
So we're just walking along the beach and I found a dragonfly and Dom saved it, so here he is. Be careful. So we're just gonna let him dry out. He's got lots of sand on his wings. Silly little thing.
It's 25 to 5 and look how busy it still is. We used to completely empty beaches on Australia. What's going on? Those poor guys just needed 2 attempts at getting up there. It's pretty steep, to be fair. I am definitely burnt, and Kay is too, so that's a decent effort. But yeah, I think we're gonna leave the beach soon and then head back to the campsite, and I'm not sure what's gonna happen then, so we'll check in with you soon.
After we got back from the beach, we went and got showered and then headed out for tea.
Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and maybe subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll catch you in the next one. See you later.